Dumelang Botswana kwa gae. Batsadi ba me, balekane ba me, le bonnake. I greet you all with a very warm hello. My name is Zakkiyah Muhammed, and I am a young 20-year-old lady from the village of Zwenshambe. I'm one young lady who has gone through multiple walks of life, from living in the locations of Extension 27 and Old Naledi to schooling at Al Noor, to now pursuing my LLB at the University of Botswana and being on the path of being your future Miss Botswana. I have lived through it all. I have seen it all. And it's those lived experiences that have helped open my mind to the different needs and to the different desires of different communities. That is where my mandate stems from. The mandate to help underprivileged kids with different learning abilities. Usually when this conversation occurs, there's a particular community that remains in the shadows, and it saddens my heart that there isn't much light that shines around them. So as I embody my name, Zakkiyah, marang a letsatsi, lesedi la lehatsi le la rona la Botswana, I want to be the person that beams light on them, that shines the light on their needs, and to help make these children's educational needs more accessible. They too deserve our attention. They too deserve our guidance. They too deserve our love. I have been a part of those communities, and it hurts me to see young talent, to see brilliant minds be unsheltered simply because they aren't catered to in the way they need. This light, this love of children, this desire to really shape our future is what makes me unique, is what makes my story unique. Because I do not believe that any child should be left behind. Once again, this is Zakkiyah Muhammed, Wanyana wako Zwenshambe, and thank you for listening to my introductory video.